Hi guys, welcome back to another career mode Manchester United episode. Today we'll be playing the Wolves in the EPL. We've been very good in the EPL this season. We haven't lost a game yet. We've drawn one.
Hi there everyone. Old Trafford is the venue for our match today. Welcome to you all from Alan Smith and myself, Martin Tyler. Today's game, Manchester United against Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Here is how Manchester United won. Number 1, David De Gea.
Well, it's been a tough nut to crack, hasn't it, Manchester United this season?
And I think what makes this team so hard to beat is the fact that everybody works hard out of possession. It starts at the front with the strikers.
Number 17, Fred. Number 10, Romelu Lukaku. And number 9, Anthony.
They've shuffled their pack today, Manchester United. David De Gea starts in goal. Eric Bailly plays with Samuel Umtiti as the centre-backs. Jesse Lingard starts with Nemanja Matic in central midfield. In attack, Romelu Lukaku starts. He's been in tremendous form recently. Here is the way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture. Rui Patricio starts in goal. João Moutinho starts, looking to recover his form. And here is just the one main attacker in this lineup. There is an expectation here at Old Trafford, isn't there, Alan, about the style of football that Manchester United should be playing. Not just about winning, they want to win with a bit of a flourish.
Yes, they do, and that hasn't always been the case in recent times under Louis van Gaal and Jose Mourinho. The football has differed, you might say, from the golden years under Sir Alex Ferguson.
Goalkeeper can only parry it out. It's Lingard. Maybe the cross. Lingard. Fred. Here's a chance, the goalkeeper exposed.
Well, had it not been for this keeper being on his toes, they'd be one down by now. Really good stop.
Lukaku! Couldn't hold on to the ball. Now Bailly. It's Jesse Lingard. Romelu Lukaku. In behind the defenders. Anthony Martial. And this time, yes, they do score. Well, it's been coming, and they've been playing well enough to deserve this goal. Nicely created, well finished, and very well merited.
And that has just lasered into the corner. Unstoppable.
It's Manchester United in the lead. Nemanja Matic. Matic. Fred. Here's Matic.
These fans think that was a definite penalty.
He's not going to get away with this, surely. That would be a booking. Clearly a booking. Out comes the yellow card.
Well, he reached straight for his pocket. He didn't really think about it, but I think that's the good call.
Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. Well, here's an opportunity with the ball over the top. Trying to get in behind just a little too eagerly then.
He could give the defender a yard, you know, and still get there.
Well, so much football for you day in, day out on EA Sports, of course, including the EFL Cup fixture for Manchester United, and they'll be facing Burnley.
Yeah, a lot of people have been talking about this one. Looking forward to it.
Jimenez. Really trying to use the full width of the pitch here to make some progress. Defender did well to get to it, but hasn't really finished the job. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene.
The fourth official has indicated
got 2 added minutes.
Minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
Opportunity in a wider area. whipped in from the wide area. Oh, the header looked in for all the world, but the goalkeeper somehow was... And that's half-time. Looking for an opening with some good controlled build-up. There's still danger here after this half clearance. I see a substitute coming on for the away team here. Fred. Here's a chance for Manchester United to go forward. The cross is long towards the back post. Goal! They lead by 2 now. Took the chance nicely, and that really has given them much more of a basis for the rest of this match. Well, it was a gift. Strikers dream about moments like this. A tap-in.
Yes, not often that you do get what is literally an open goal, and he wasn't going to miss it.
Poor attempt at a pass, really. Lukaku! Oh, it's a tremendous goal. Oh, it's an offside decision.
Well, the players can't believe it, and neither can the crowd, but it's the right decision.
In goes the corner. Good stop by the goalkeeper. Giving the ball away now. And it's gone out of play there. Rashford. Nemanja Matic. Fellaini.
Old Trafford, give a round of applause.
Lukaku. On to Marcus Rashford. Lukaku.
Anthony.
Well, they got away with it in the end. Well, they managed to dig themselves out of a pretty deep hole then. It was a great chance, I thought, but they're safe again.
The fourth official has indicated
Fellaini.
there will be a minimum of
Now
2
with the
minutes
shots on here.
waiting.
The defenders managed to get in the way there. Jimenez. Final whistle and Manchester United.
So we have defeated the Wolves 2-0 at home, and what a victory. The Wolves, they've been such a good team in the league this season. They're very, very young and exciting to watch, and I really hope they do well.
It's cup tie time in the English League Cup.
So now the second game.
Sense the extra buzz amongst the supporters as we came into the stadium. It's Burnley today versus Manchester United.
Definitely a tough side at home, so let's hope we can.
He's the one we're focusing on, I think with good reason.
He's the one to watch. He's the one that his teammates will be looking to make the difference.
Ben Mee. Number 23, Stephen Ward. Number 7, Johan Berg Edmundsen. Number 4, Jack Cork. Number 12,
This is the Burnley lineup. Tom Heaton starts in goal. Robbie Brady starts, the midfielder in good form. In attack, Ashley Barnes starts. He's been in tremendous form recently.
Ashley Barnes.
This is then the Manchester United lineup. Lee Grant starts in goal. Marcos Rojo starts with Eric Bailly at the back. Romelu Lukaku is the sole striker today.
Thank you. Enjoy the game.
They've smartened up the ground a bit, but it's still got its original origins and stands named after former players like Jimmy McIlroy when they were Division 1 champions all those years ago. The claret and blue, it does smack of history, doesn't it?
It certainly does. I remember playing here for Leicester in the early 80s. My first game here, got a couple of goals, and not much has changed since, really. But the fans appreciate what their team is trying to do. They weren't too critical when they got relegated.
Now Marcus Rashford. Lukaku with Rashford again. Modric! I wonder, Alan, whether that's come too early for him. His first chance, the first chance of the game.
Yeah, and he might not get a chance as good as that.
Gudmundsson. Excellent vision. Maybe the cross. Should hit it now. It's a good place to win the ball here. Shots on here. Now they've got to defend the corner. It's all about discipline. In goes the corner. And they get it away. He can cross it now. Still got a bit to do, but this is promising. In towards the near post. And they've scored. And they've opened the scoring here. He's beaten the goalkeeper, but only just. It went in off the keeper.
Well, I think it was just a pair on the ball, Martin. It was too much for him.
Number 7.
So the first goal, it's 1-0. And it's Pogba. Well, this could bring them level. And it does. Important point in the game.
Well, what a game changer that might be. And I think the momentum's just shifted.
Well, the equaliser has happened. Took perhaps the opposition by surprise. But we're level again. It's what they've deserved. So away we go at 1-1. Won it back with an interception. The manager here has had an attractive offer. Real chance. Rashford with the ball now. He's in the clear. Full on the frame of the goal. Defended well. The ball's loose. Goalkeeper made the save, but he couldn't hold it. Modric. Bale. Now with Lukaku. Now a chance to get a bit of width into this attack. Gudmundsson. And here's the shot. Good action in the English League Cup in the first 45 minutes. Second half starts now.
Yeah, I think one or two players surprised us, actually, how well they played in that first half. They'll be delighted.
Probing away, trying to find... Shot on! Powerful drive, close enough to suggest, have another go, son.
Yeah, strong shot. I think the keeper saw it coming all the way, though.
Tight scenario here on the ball. Typified the competitive nature of this game, that tackle. It's only a throw-in. Bale, cutting in now. He's got his shot off now. It's a top effort, really, but it's just too high.
Maybe next time, that kind of effort will be on target.
Burnley have lost possession here. Incisive from Lukaku. He's through here. In towards Bale. And that's an excellent goal. They're in front now. Interception here.
Oh, listen to the atmosphere in here.
Lovely ball. The shot's on. Hit the frame of the goal after the save. It's come off the goalkeeper, still in play. Remind you of the scoreline. Manchester United a goal to the good. Lingard. Fellaini. Is this game set and match? The defenders managed to get in the way there. He's got it away. Aaron Lennon. Now Lingard. Jack Cork.
The fourth official has indicated there will be a
Face
minimum
another
of
2 minutes added on by the referee. Well, here they come again. It might be their last chance here to get something from the game. Gareth Bale. It's with
So
Burnley
we've
now.
won the game here.
And we're looking at the referee,
full
and there
time,
goes the final
2-1
whistle.
to Manchester
And the match
United.
has finished here.
It wasn't an easy
2-1.
game. It's never
And confirmation
an easy game.
then
It took more.
of their success
but I'm glad
in
we
this
come
cup
away
tie
with the
today.
win here. And Lukaku has been on a bit of a scoring drought. I can't actually remember the last time he scored. So hope he will score for us in the next episode, or we'll have to look for another striker in January. Yeah, so that will be it for today's episode. In the next episode, we will have the Premier League game against West Ham. So that will be a good game to watch. And thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.